This tutorial will guide you through the control functions of your Amazon 2nd generation Alexa voice remote. This remote requires one of the following compatible Fire TV devices: Fire TV Stick Lite, Fire TV Stick 2020 release, Fire TV Stick 2nd generation, Fire TV Stick 4K, and Fire TV Cube 2nd and 1st generation, as well as the Amazon Fire TV 3rd generation. Let's familiarize ourselves with the buttons on the remote. The power button controls your TV, Amazon 4K Fire TV device, and certain AV receivers that are attached to the HDMI connector of your device. The voice command button is positioned directly below the remote's microphone. To operate, hold down the mic button and say a command, like Open Hulu. This will open the Hulu app. You will also use this method to search for apps, change the volume, mute, rewind, pause, fast forward, and many more. An LED light illuminates when buttons are pushed. This lets you know your batteries have enough power to send commands to your Fire TV device. The navigation ring provides up, down, left, and right navigation options that help you to control menus, page through guides, click up and down your channel listings, and more. Clicking the round select button allows you to OK or select a desired command. The back button returns you to previously viewed screens. The home button takes you back to the Amazon home screen menu that includes all of your installed apps. The menu button opens more options based on the item, app, or function you selected. Use the Playback Control buttons to play, rewind, fast forward, and pause live TV, video recordings, and programs. The volume buttons control the audio level of your Fire TV device and TV. Press the mute button to quiet the TV sound, then again to return the TV to volume. To do a keyboard search, use the navigation ring to scroll to the magnifying glass. Click the select button to bring up the keyboard to search by title. Use the up, down, left, and right navigation ring buttons to find and click the select button in the middle for each letter. When you're finished entering the title, click the select button again to enter the next field to search for your show. We hope you found this information helpful. For your convenience, we provided a link below to a PDF copy of our Amazon Remote Control Guide. This guide will provide a quick reference and additional hints to help you get the most out of your Amazon Remote. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.